2016 Ford Mustang. The Mustang is race-worthy and ready for the track. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, AM/FM stereo with CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, fog lights, compass, trip computer, overhead console, panic alarm, brake assist, tachometer. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.